What's up, guys? It's Words Up with Maryann. So basically, this is your show for all things English. Today on the show, we're going to be looking at words that are often confused and misused. So let's get right into it. The first two words for today are troublemaker and troubleshooter. So who's a troublemaker? A troublemaker is somebody who habitually causes problems, disputes, and so on, especially by inciting others to defy those in authority. Basically, what you knew a troublemaker to be. Now, who's a troubleshooter? A troubleshooter is a person with special skills in resolving disputes, impasses, and so on, especially in national, business, or international affairs. So you see, a troubleshooter is actually somebody who solves troubles, basically. So, the next two words, use and utilize. To use something is to engage with that thing in order to achieve a purpose or accomplish a goal. While to utilize something is also to engage with that thing in order to achieve a purpose or accomplish a goal, but only when you are using that thing, process, or situation beyond its intended use or beyond its intended ability. So basically, when you're stretching the ability of something, you are utilizing it. Thank me later, because I know that I just taught you something. So make some sentences for me with these words and drop them in the comment section, please. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. We are at Teen Africa TV. And I remain Maryann Ushi, and this is What's Up with Maryann. Bye.